Back. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to make a dialog box in using Cascade style sheets and JavaScript. What I've done is created a project folder here to short the time span that it'll take me to make this project work. Okay, let's close this. What we're going to do here is we're going to open our HTML document with Notepad, and I've already put some code in here to start our project off quickly. Now the goal and objective of this is to present to the user at load time or during a click event a dialog box that displays a certain amount of information. So you can use this on your own. You can download this file on your own and use it and manipulate it to create a nice little dialog box for a warning message or something else at page load. Okay, let's get started. First thing we want to do is we want to create our tag within our body, our actual dialog box. And so what I have here is our overlay. Let me open this up real quick and copy and paste this. So what it is it's a div tag, and let's copy this, and this will go at the bottom of our page. So we have a div tag with an ID of overlay, and we're going to use some JavaScript to manage this content here. So let's go ahead and run this in our browser and take a look at that and see what that looks like right now. Right now, because there's no style sheets or anything in there, this is what you'll actually get. And once we put our event in here, this will be our dialog box, and it will close. All right. I'm going to also add right now our style sheet in there. And what this style sheet is going to do is going to render our dialog box so that you can actually see it. Put it in there really fast. And save this. Let's double click on this. See it in the browser. Okay, and with the dialog box, what this style sheets actually did, it was hidden. It hid our dialog box from us, and I'll show you the code for that. I'm trying to go real fast here so I don't run out of time. Let's move this up. Okay, what we've done here in our style sheets, we told the body height to be at 100%, and our margins set to 0 all the way around, padding set to 0. This is our overlay. This right here describes to our page what our dialog box or our modal dialog box would actually do. So it's hidden, absolute position, left at 0, top at 0, width 100%, height at 100%. Text alignment will be centered with a Z index of 1000, and our background will be gray. Now this controls our div tag here. So basically what will happen is we will have a 300 pixel wide dialog box with a margin set at 100 pixels. Our background will be yellow, and we'll have a 1 pixel wide black border with content at 15 pixels all the way around, set at center. Okay, so if we, like I just did, I ran that and nothing showed up on the screen because we don't have any events firing up at this point. So let's go ahead and add our Cascade style sheets. Actually, we just did that. Let's add our JavaScript. Okay, this is our JavaScript, and this is our event. So we're actually going to, when we click on either a hyperlink or which will make a call to our function overlay, or we can do it in our page load. What we're going to do is in our page load. Okay, so let's copy this, edit, copy, close that up, and we're going to paste that up here again. Just put it down here. Doesn't really matter at this point. And right now, if we run it, nothing will happen. And the reason nothing happens is because we haven't made a call to our JavaScript. Let's do that in our body tag. Okay, so let's say on load, function overlay. And so when our page loads, we're going to call our overlay function. Let's double click on that. There's our page load. And so what happens, we have a click event in here. I'm going to show you that in a moment. And when we click that, the page comes back to us. Let's put some content in there real quick. Right here above that, page content. Okay? And then when we save this, and we run it, we're going to actually see, when we close this, there's our page content. Okay? So that was a simple demo, and if you want a copy of that, at the end of this video, you'll actually see a hyperlink that you can download the zip file and play with that for yourself. All right?